Going forward, not only we want to expand our manufacturing footprint horizontally, but we also want to expand the manufacturing footprint vertically, which means we'll bring in more component manufacturing in the country. We will enable more reverse integration to happen in the country. And in this whole process, educating the entire ecosystem is extremely important. And we at Panasonic are going to take a lead in this direction.
Panasonic.